Hey,
Hi.
it's me,
I'm
Morgan. I'm calling. So we're singing Beyonce, Ave Maria, and you can follow me on Instagram at Drunk Off Music.
And you can follow me on Instagram at The Amazing Move 1.
Okay, so here we go. Hope you like it. If you don't, oh well. Today.
I need you to be quiet. She was lost in so many different ways, out in the darkness with no guide. I know the cost of losing him, never for the grace of God. Oh, I found heaven on earth. You are my last, my first, and then I hear this voice inside. Ave Maria. Stop. Stop. I've been alone when I'm surrounded by friends. How could the silence be so loud? But I still go on, knowing that I got you. There's only us when lights go down. You are my heaven on earth. You are my hunger, my thirst. And then I hear this voice inside. Ave Maria. Sometimes love can come and pass you by while you're busy making plans. It suddenly hits you and then you realize inside of your head, baby, you got to understand. You are my heaven on earth. You are my last, my first, and then I hear this voice inside. Ave Maria. Peace.